What's going on, Mopar fam? So today we have a problem. Frostbite through a check engine light. I don't think it's anything serious. I did notice the other day that our temperature gauge was staying all the way cold and was only coming up to very minor temperature when we were sitting still for a long time. So I have a feeling that the thermostat has either broke or failed and it's stuck open, and it finally actually caused the check engine light to come on due to the fact that it's probably reading colder temperature and never actually hitting probably closed loop. So let's check it out. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to go on my tuner, go to diagnostics, show trouble codes, continue, and you can see it through the P0128 coolant thermostat coolant 1. And that the coolant temp is below the regulated temperature. So we obviously have a broken or stuck open thermostat causing that code. So we're going to rip out the thermostat, see what's going on. Hopefully it's failed or something, and we'll put a new one in it. Alright, so we're going to get some pliers and bust off this clamp. And these clamps are always fun. Everybody just loves them. Alright, let's make a mess now, shall we? Give it a little wiggle wiggle. Try to leave our hose up here like that. Hopefully it doesn't make too much of a mess. And now we got 2 bolts to take loose for the thermostat housing right here. I believe they are either 12s or 13s. Looks like they're going to be 14 is the magic number. Let's see if we can get this guy in there, if we get lucky enough. Yep. Got to break them loose by hand real quick. Go. Now we can put our little zip doodah on there. Watch out, nitrous hoses. One bolt. It looks like we're going to need an extension get on that one. There we go. Take it out by hand the rest of the way. And let's see what's going on with this thing. Hello. Thermostat right there. I don't really see nothing wrong with it yet. Let's see what we got. this is a 180 thermostat, which is the new one is that I just bought to put back in it. I have to say, can't say that I see anything wrong with it, to be honest. It doesn't look broke. It looks like it's shut right now, so I don't know, guys. Beats me. But it can't be much else, or it can't be much more than thermostat, I would imagine. So we're going to put a new one in it and see what happens. So here's our new one. And I got this one from Napa. It's also a 180 thermostat. And from what I can see on this one, I mean, I can't say it looks much different, but something's obviously wrong with the old one. So this one here, you can actually find these on eBay, or excuse me, Amazon, much cheaper, for like under 20 bucks. I was in a pinch, obviously, so I had to bite the bullet and get one from Napa. That is the part number right there. And from Napa, it was about $35. But we needed it, so let's get this thing on. Get our little zip gun. I'll give it down, torque it down a little bit more with a ratchet here. Good and tight. Shove our radiator hose back on real quick. Try not to make too much of a mess. And let's get this clamp back on. Alrighty, hose is on. Top off the radiator, and this is the good old mix with any color Napa antifreeze. Nothing special, but no matter what kind of antifreeze you got, what color it is, this stuff will mix with it. And I think that will about do us. This is 100% antifreeze right here, so I'm going to fill it up to about right there, and then whatever else we got to top off, I'm just going to add some water to it. So next step is we're going to go in the truck, we're going to clear the trouble code, and then we're going to start it up, let it run, let it get hot, get some fluid flowing through it, and then check the radiator again. Alright, so we're going to go back to our tuner. This time we're going to hit clear trouble codes. And it says trouble codes has been erased, so we should not have a check engine light anymore. Let's go check them just in case. No codes found. So we are good. And yeah, let's crank this thing up. Drove about 10 miles now, and everything is doing pretty good. Like I said, I don't really know what was wrong with the old thermostat, but it was obviously broken somehow. I couldn't physically see anything wrong with it, but it was not doing what it was supposed to do, that's for sure. Now my temperature gauge is going back to where it normally would be all the time before the old one failed. So we have good heat again. Temperature gauge looks right, everything's working. So I have no idea, but it was definitely bad, and she's fixed now. So I think that's going to do it for today, guys. So as always, hit that subscribe button, tap that bell button for the notifications. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you on the next one.